Hey everyone, it's Caden Casterson here with another episode of Multi-Section Monday, where this week we're in the model known as the Shelby. Now the beauty about the Shelby is because it's always been one of our clients' favorites because you get 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, right around 1,700 square feet for an amazing price. You see, in this one we added a bunch of little features in this home that still keep it right around the 110 to 115 mark price-wise, so that way you can get a full-size home, 1,700 square feet, for a very minimal price. Now some of those features that I'm referencing, first off, are these gorgeous ceiling beams that you see right here inside of our tray ceiling. We also painted that red to give it a nice accent to balance with the beams. You can see we've got this fireplace right here, the wood-burning fireplace, bookshelves on both sides, and we also painted back there red as well so that you could try and tie in some from the tray ceiling. Now if you follow me this way, you'll see how open this is as we make our way into the kitchen. You have a huge island right here with a different countertop than the rest of your kitchen, trying to give it a little bit more pop than some may be used to. If you'll notice, we also have an electrical outlet right down below the island that's attached to it. That way you can try and maximize the versatility of the island by trying to use this as some of your counter space as well if you're cooking a bunch of stuff and need some more mixers. And if you look right through here, you'll see all of the gorgeous cabinets that we have going throughout this home. It is all real wood as well. We've got dishwasher, we've got cabinets, we've got another stainless farm sink that we love. We've got the pull-out faucet, stove, microwave, lots of upgraded backsplash going through this house, giving it a really big residential feel. You've got a side-by-side fridge that we love in a lot of our homes. Then you end at a pantry space with drawers below that you can put your pots and pans. Guys, the space inside of this kitchen and how open all of this feels, this is why it's always been one of our clients' favorites, because it feels like home. Always has and always will. If you look right over here, you have an actual dining room area. You can see that we've got a pretty good sized table that sits 6 people. You can do bigger tables. As you can see, you've got a lot of extra room. We've got the windows back there to try and pull in some more natural light. We've also had some of our clients do either a sliding glass door or French doors right there if they plan on doing a porch off the back of their house. That way you can tie that in with the window above your sink and really have a nice setup there that way you can watch your kids outside, you can grill, you can barbecue, and still feel like you're connected. And if you look right back through here, we'll go check out the 2 guest bedrooms. Right here, we have a built-in desk space. Standard, this actually comes as a big pantry, so it's right off of your kitchen area, and imagine having a pantry in all of this space. Now if you work from home, you may not need a pantry. You may just need a desk space, so that way you don't have to take up one of your bedrooms. We've got that covered. We can do this as a closet if you just need more clothes storage. Guys, we've got tons of options that we can work with. If you look right through here, you'll see both bedrooms. They're side by side, duplicates of each other. If you got one guest bedroom, there's a closet inside of there with a window and a ceiling fan. Another guest bedroom with a closet, window, and ceiling fan. Then if you look right back here, we'll start our way through the utility room. So you've got a door. That way if you've got guests sleeping inside, you can close off the door because your washer dryer are in here, so that way they don't have to hear any of the noise. We've got a back door. And look at this. This is phenomenal in here. This is your utility room. It's like another bathroom almost. But we've got cabinets going up here. You can store all of your laundry detergent. You got this as a mud room, where that way if you come in the back door and you don't want to have to track a bunch of mud and dirt through the rest of your house, you've got a sink in here. You can leave your boots in here. We can do different built-ins. We can do shelves. Guys, we've got tons of options on this floor plan. If you look right back over here, here's where your actual washer dryer goes. You've got the rod and shelf in between as well. So as soon as you're through taking your clothes out of the dryer, you can hang them right up there. If you're like my family, maybe they sit around on the treadmill or the furniture a little bit. This will help prevent that, guys, because you can just put them right up there. If you look right here, this flows really nicely as we lead into the first guest bathroom. Got your tub shower combination here. You've got the linen cabinet over commode. You've got your sink, you've got drawer banks, you've got cabinets, you've got everything that you need inside this house. And this is why this has always been a favorite. You can come right through the utility room to get to the bathroom. You can close it off and come right from the hallway to get to the bathroom. You've got options. Now if you're following me this way, we'll go check out the best part of the entire house, the master. So as you look through here, you can get a feel for how open this area is. This space is huge, guys. And it just flows right into the master bedroom that has the biggest master closet I've ever seen in any of our houses. You see you got a ton of space in here inside of your bedroom. You could even do another tray ceiling in here to duplicate the one in the living room if you wanted, if you want to try and tie all that together. We've got windows, we've got TV jacks, we've got everything that you need that then leads you into your master bathroom or master oasis. Double sinks. So we've got a lot of people that ask for double sinks. Guys, this has the double sinks as standard, no problem. It flows very nicely over here into this gorgeous, gorgeous soaker tub. That way, guys, you can have a party inside of that tub if you know what I mean. You've got a linen cabinet above your commode. That way you can try and maximize some space. You've got more storage for bookshelves on either side of your tub. We've got another pantry cabinet space right here as well. That way you can try and again maximize space, maximize storage. Your shower area is going to be right here. We've got the 2 seats inside there. We've also had clients that have ordered this as a tile shower, so you've got options. And if you'll follow me through here, you will check out the huge, huge master closet. If you look right inside of here, this closet is huge. Look how long that is, guys. That is insane. Plus, it also wraps around the side there, where we've got a window inside there. That way it pulls in some natural light, save on some electricity because it's very bright in there if you need to see all your clothes. Now, if you follow me back in here, you can really see and get a feel for how spacious this is with your living room, with your dining room, your kitchen. Guys, this is an entertainer's dream. This is also a chef's dream because of how much cabinet space you have in here and because of the big island where that way you can serve all of your guests. Guys, thank you very much for checking out another Multi-Section Monday. Again, this model is known as the Shelby. And remember, like, comment, share our video, comment if you have any questions at all, and check us out next week.